This is a quick one, guys, and it's all about making money online. By the way, I'm so humbled and excited to let you know that making money online has been made official. If you're out there and you don't know that it has been launched, it got launched a long time, you should know that making money online is official. Good morning. Welcome back to Immaculate Show. This is a lady that says I shouldn't hold the smartphone and beg for bread. Anyways, you guys, do you know what I came to tell you? I came to tell you about the power of a phone. The power of internet is so it's up to you to decide to use this power of internet or power of the phone profitably or lost. Should I call it lost? Anyways, you guys, this video is just for educational purposes. I want to inform you that making money online is made official and it is now legit. So guys, but before that, let me first greet and send greetings to my top engagers and the people who will be coming in for their first time on this video. The lady you see is called Christine, the one who handles Immaculate Show, or the one who's the founder of Immaculate Show. Immaculate Show started 5 years back. So today I felt like coming and I give you my testimony, or I challenge you that I've been on this journey for good 5 years. And trust me, I don't think you've ever seen me not come. If I don't come on a day, if I don't show my face, then something is there. Like by the time I made this video, I had a very hectic schedule and there are very many challenges I was facing. But I was like, hey, 2 days I've not made a video. What can I tell these people? You people, let me tell you why you see me show up every day. And this one will give you some advantages of what I've benefited with the Making Money Online project. The one I've told you is now official and legit. But don't forget, this is an educational video. It is to let you know that you can get some of the tips, go use them. If you don't feel like using them, you leave them. So I've gained, should I call it extra income? I can call it extra income because I'm still working. Recently I sat down, I said, if at all right now I go out of work, can this sustain me? Yes. One side I said it can sustain me, another side I said it cannot sustain me. Why? Because I've not 100% focused on it. When you focus on something 100%, like the way we wake up and go to work every day, automatic, it will pay you off, it will sustain you, it will build you. Because if it is sustaining me right now, what about if I focus on it 100%? So it has given me money. Don't call it extra income, but it's extra because it adds on my salary. 2, it has taught me a lot of things. As far as skills is concerned, I've learned editing from there. Communication has come from there. I mean, yeah, I knew how to communicate, but it was hard for me to look in the camera and but now I can wake up and look in the camera and talk about anything. Even if I'm not prepared, it will take me 3 minutes. The first 3 minutes when I'm doing like this, then later I'll catch up. The third one, it has made me to be innovative. I become innovative every day. If I do this, how will it be? If I do the other, I think beyond. It has made me meet new people and good people. In other words, it has given me a family. So making money online has been a darling. Being on social media and holding my smartphone, knowing what it should be doing, it has made me meet people. You can call them fans, but they have become friends, they have become family. To the extent, like Immaculate now, if I find I am missing something, I just get a call and say, hey, the person you've never seen, but you've been friends and you've been a family, will lay a hand for you. So it has given me a family. out of bloodline. It's not bloodline family, but it is stored family. Then it has also, this is so much important. It has given me, I don't become idle. Do you know, not becoming idle? If I cannot make a video, maybe I can be writing. If I'm not writing, I'm transcripting. If I'm not transcripting, I'm doing something that, something that is, I cannot find myself. I sit there and say I'm bored. So you guys, in this world, the moment you find you cannot get bored, that is so beautiful. Even when you're on the wall, we always have challenges. Those days, if you find you have challenge, then you come on TikTok, you cry, or you post this post. Even if you post it, you find you're posting it with the aim of making money out of it. But so it does not make me, or it does not allow me to find myself, I'm on a wall, I'm idle. No. I'll become idle for 2 seconds, then say, it has taken. When I see the dashboard, what about if $5 is added? What about if $2 is added? I have not done this. I've not finished the content, like maybe table of contents for this book. I have not done that. You find I'm so much occupied. So guys, do you think it has challenges? It has challenges. I've met enough challenges out of this project. But let me ask you, is there anywhere there are no challenges? No. Everywhere there are challenges. So we expect to meet these challenges. You get it. Now, I want you to sit down. Count your time you've been on social media, or you go on social media. At the end of the day, what do you gain? At the end of the day, do you gain your gains and your losses? In life, we have to know this. In gains, in losses, what overpowers the other? What overweighs the other? So me, I always put, and I find myself, my presence, I've not lost. But I've gotten enough challenges. So you might be facing some challenges, but get your phone and look in it. Give us something. Like this one, it is normal. I've used the phone, I've not put mic, I've not put you. That's why you feel the sound around and everything. That's it. And I've not edited it. Just simple edits only. So guys, making money online has been made legit by me. But you have to make sure you research on it. So guys, let me see in another video. This one was interactive. Love you so much. Love.